Well, interesting story. We bought a new house in February of 11, and in May of 11, a tornado destroyed it. So when we were rebuilding, we talked about having a lift for the attic and did some research, and our builder suggested VersaLift, and we put it in and have been totally pleased. We use it almost every time we get stuff in and out of the attic. We use it a lot during Christmas, putting up and taking down the Christmas tree and all the ornaments and the various sundry boxes full of stuff my wife puts out. And then throughout the year, other things we store. We have an enveloped spray foam house, so upstairs in the attic is comfortable temperature year-round, so we store lots of things up there. And I have tools, I have boxes of storage of different items. Use it all the time, it's great. It works great. It makes it so much easier to get in the attic.
My husband said we needed a 3-car garage. All we really needed was the VersaLift.
We used to trip over garage clutter. Now we send it all to the attic.
He said 3-car garage. I said VersaLift.
She was right, as usual.
Find out more at www.versalifthome.com.